to toe. It's just so beautiful, and I don't understand your words. If we could just be animals, I could understand you more from head to toe. It's just so beautiful, yet I don't understand the words. Maybe we could just slow it down, use some insight and get in sync right now. Try to rewind time and find a place where me and you could go face to face and stop the space-time shit. I ain't with that. All this technology shit, I ain't interested in none of that. What's your Instagram? Matter of fact, girl, delete my number. Matter of fact, I save your number, understand? Like, if we could just be animals, maybe I can understand you more from head to toe. It's just so beautiful, but I don't understand your words. If we could just be animals, maybe I can understand you more from head to toe. It's just so beautiful, but I don't understand your words. I could take you back to the savannah, ride around the Tampa, baby, know what's happening, but you gotta be my queen, let me be your king. But it's the thing, that this is how it be. All kingdoms sit on the king's head, but on the queen's shoulders is where the pressure lives. So gotta be right, you gotta let me fight, you gotta let me act right when I write right. Like, if we could just be animals, maybe I could understand you more from head to toe. 'Cause baby, you're so beautiful, but I don't understand your words. If we could just be animals, maybe I could understand you more from head to toe. 'Cause you're so beautiful, yet I don't understand your words. If we could just be animals, maybe I could understand you more from head to toe. 'Cause you're so beautiful, yet I don't understand your words. If we could just be animals, maybe I could understand you more from head to toe. It's just so beautiful, but I don't understand your words. Right here, this right here is for my humans out there, you know, who like to have a little fun after they accomplish some shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what grown ups do, you feel me? Throw a little money in the air, you know, whatever. Yeah.